G'day! In today's video I've got the MSI Delta 15 and I'm going to do a battery test on that. It's got a Ryzen 5800H, 16GB of RAM, an RX6700M 10GB model and a 1080 240Hz display. With this I'll be running the YouTube log fire test. All I really do there is I turn the brightness of the keyboard down to one step below off, turn the brightness down to about half. It's going to be connected up via Wi-Fi. I'm going to hit play, turn down the volume and just let it go till it's flat. So let's see how it goes. So far we're still going. We've played for about 5 hours now, or 5.5, and the battery is now at 55%. So far this is putting to shame the vast majority of budget Intel gaming machines I've come across. And I don't think I'm going to have actually enough footage to run out the battery. Granted, I did end up changing my subject of testing. I did end up having to turn the backlight off as it didn't have variable backlighting. It only had variable colors. So the backlight has been off and brightness is about halfway. Let's keep going. Let's power it up and see what we get. So right now, this has been going to dead flat, and right now we're at 8 hours and 20 minutes. So to me, that is quite good. So right now, if we have a look down here, we're at 8 hours, 20 minutes. I have just stuck it on charge to charge it back up while it was off, but this is where our video of the 10-hour fireplace loop has finished. With it finishing there, I'm quite happy to recommend this machine for a school computer or a uni computer. Something like the Acer Nitro 5 with the 10th gen and the 11th gen Intel processors, I found that they struggle to get over usually 2 to 4 hours. And that's completely exhausting the battery, just like I've done here, with the exact same test. So the MSI Delta 15 has got one good battery / one power efficient combo of graphics and CPU. Very happy.